Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're delving into the world of the treadmill, our hopeful fitness companion that often becomes a glorified coat rack. Isn't it amusing how every January we invest in this miracle machine, ready to transform into the next fitness influencer, only to find ourselves face to face with laundry piled high by February? Well, today we're diving into the psychology of why so many of us abandon this fitness journey before we even break a sweat. Join me as we uncover the treadmill trap and learn how to turn those fleeting resolutions into lasting habits. So picture this. It's January 1st and you're on a fitness high. When you envision yourself running effortlessly on your new treadmill, feeling like a sprightly gazelle, or maybe a lion if you like to take things slow. But then reality hits. You hop on for your first workout, motivational playlist blasting, only to realize that running on a treadmill is about as exciting as watching paint dry. Who knew? Between sweat dripping down your face and your dream of six-pack abs feeling more like a pancake, let's explore the reasons many of us bid farewell to our treadmill adventures. Unrealistic expectations. First up, let's talk unrealistic expectations. Many think it'll just run a mile a day, and by next week it'll look like a fitness model. Spoiler alert, that's not how it works. It's less about instant results and more about consistency. Good things come to those who sweat eventually. Boredom. Then there's the treadmill itself. Can we talk about how monotonous it is? You're literally running to nowhere, staring at the wall, wondering if it has a better social life than you. No wonder boredom sets in. Luckily, there are ways to keep the excitement alive, my friends. Procrastination. And who hasn't experienced the "I'll do it tomorrow" syndrome? You skip a workout, then two, and before you know it, Monday has turned into someday. It's like that Netflix series you keep meaning to finish, just a bit too good at distracting you from reality. Physical discomfort. Next, let's address the elephant in the room. Physical discomfort. If your body feels like it went 10 rounds with a heavyweight champion after your first jog, no wonder you want to quit. Remember, it's all about pacing yourself. Start with a walk before you try to conquer a marathon. Lack of accountability. Then there's the solo workout. Without anyone watching you, it's super easy to convince yourself that one more rest day is totally fine. Create a workout buddy system, because everyone knows that having a friend to suffer with is way more fun. Treadmill as a storage unit. And let's not forget the ever-popular trend of using your treadmill as a storage unit. One day it's exercising, next day it's an oversized plant stand. Don't let it disappear under a pile of clothes. Keep it in sight and ready for action. Lisa's success story. Now, let's take a moment to meet Lisa, our treadmill warrior. At 34, Lisa wanted to shed some pounds and boost her energy. Like most of us, she started confidently but soon found her treadmill gathering dust. Fast forward to early 2024. Lisa dusted off that old friend and approached things differently. She began by setting small goals, 10 minutes of walking daily. Nothing crazy. She decided to make it fun by downloading an app that turned her runs into virtual races. Nothing like a little friendly competition to motivate. On busy days, shed walk while attending Zoom calls, multitasking champ right there. And don't forget the local walking group she joined. Even outdoor meetups inspired her at home. By 2025, Lisa had not only lost 20 pounds, but gained a love for running. That dusty treadmill? A daily ritual she couldn't wait to jump on. Let's take a quick look at why you should stick with it. Running on a treadmill isn't just about the sweaty selfies, though we do love a good sweaty pic. It improves cardiovascular health and reduces the risk of heart disease. Please, no more heart attacks. Exercise releases endorphins that improve mental clarity, helping you slay stress and anxiety like the boss you are. And who doesn't like a little confidence boost? Watching little victories add up can turn you into the ultimate treadmill champion. Tips for winning the Treadmill Challenge 2025. So, how do we win the Treadmill Challenge 2025? Start small. Commit to just 5 to 10 minutes a day. It's like dipping your toes into the pool before jumping in. Mix things up, different speeds, inclines, and even throwing in some dance breaks. Reward yourself after hitting milestones, because who doesn't like a new pair of running shoes or treats? Lastly, track your progress with apps or even good old-fashioned journals. Remember, folks, Every step, no matter how small, is a step towards greatness. So, as we gear up for the Treadmill Challenge 2025, remember, it's not just about running, it's about persistence, rediscovery, and creating lasting habits that stick. If Lisa can turn her treadmill into a daily ritual, so can you. Dust off that machine, reclaim your fitness goals, and let's prove to ourselves that this year can be different. I'll be sharing the top 10 pieces of equipment that can make your treadmill workouts way more effective and fun. So let's get started. First up, we have adjustable dumbbells. These little guys are a game changer for incorporating strength training into your routine. Why are they so essential? Well, they let you easily switch between weights, which is great if space is tight. You can do so many exercises like bicep curls, shoulder presses, squats, and even deadlifts. Key features: they usually range from 5 to 50 pounds, and some models even go up to 90 pounds. Plus, they save so much space, no need for a full rack of dumbbells cluttering your home. They're made with durable materials, so you know they'll last for years. You can snag a good pair for about $150 to $300, with the Bowflex Select Tech 552 being a popular choice. Pro tip: try pairing those strength sessions with your treadmill workouts to kick that metabolism into high gear. Next on our list are resistance bands. These little powerhouses are super versatile, portable, and perfect for all fitness levels. They're fantastic for strengthening smaller muscle groups and improving flexibility. Plus, they can add resistance to bodyweight exercises, think squats or push-ups. You'll find them in different resistance levels, and they're usually very affordable, typically between $10 and $40 for a complete set. Pro tip: why not combine your treadmill workouts with some resistance bands? You could alternate jogging on the treadmill with resistance band squats or rows. It's an incredible way to spice up your cardio. Now let's chat about the trusty yoga mat. This isn't just for yoga, it's essential for all your floor exercises, stretching, and even Pilates. Plus, it makes a cozy space for those post-treadmill cool-downs. Look for mats with a non-slip grip to help you stay stable during those challenging poses. They typically cost between $20 and $80, with great options like the Manduka Pro Yoga Mat out there. Pro tip: use this mat for core strengthening exercises after your treadmill runs, like planks and bridges, to really boost your workout. Moving on to number 4, we have the indoor cycling bike. If you're looking for a low-impact alternative to the treadmill, then this is it. Cycling is easy on the joints while still packing a punch for burning calories and building endurance. Many modern bikes come with interactive screens for virtual rides or classes, which makes your workout feel a lot more engaging. Prices can range from $500 to $2,000. The Peloton bike and Schwinn IC4 are popular choices. Pro tip: mix up your routine by alternating between treadmill days and cycling days to avoid overtraining and keep things fresh. Let's not forget about the rowing machine, which offers an incredible full-body workout. It engages about 85% of your muscles, making it super efficient. Plus, it's a fantastic complement to any running program. You can find compact options that fold up for easy storage, and they typically run between $250 and $1,200. The Concept 2 Model D is a top pick. Pro tip: try incorporating rowing intervals into your treadmill sessions. It's a great way to elevate your cardiovascular fitness. Recovery is key, and that's where a foam roller comes in. It helps relieve muscle tension, improves flexibility, and can reduce soreness after your intense treadmill sessions. Just roll it over those tight spots to ease the tension. Foam rollers are quite affordable, generally priced at $10 to $50, and ideal for every fitness enthusiast. Pro tip: dedicate 10 to 15 minutes post-workout for some foam rolling. It makes a huge difference in your recovery. On to kettlebells. They're super popular for a reason. They're perfect for doing dynamic exercises that blend strength and cardio. You can work up a sweat with swings, snatches, and cleans. They come in various weights, from 10 pounds up to over 50 pounds, and are typically priced between $20 and $100. Pro tip: add some kettlebell circuits to your treadmill days for a calorie-torching combo that will keep you feeling energized. Up next is a compact multi-gym. These combine several machines into one to maximize your home workout with minimal space. You can do everything from chest presses to leg curls. With adjustable resistance, they can cater to various fitness levels, and prices typically range from $400 to $2,000. Some popular options include the Bowflex PR3000 and the Total Gym XLS. Pro tip: use a multi-gym to focus on muscles you might neglect during your treadmill workouts, such as your back and arms. Coming in at number 9, we've got the Smart Jump Rope. Yes, jumping rope is not just for kids, it's one of the most efficient cardio workouts out there. A smart jump rope tracks your performance, including jumps and calories burned, which keeps you motivated. They're compact, portable, and typically priced between $20 and $80. Pro tip: alternate between 1-minute jump rope sessions and treadmill sprints to create a killer cardio combo that's sure to rev up your heart rate. Finally, let's wrap it up with the stability ball. This versatile tool improves balance, strengthens the core, and enhances posture. It can even double as a chair. You can usually grab one for $15 to $50, making it a budget-friendly addition to your gym. Pro tip: incorporate some stability ball exercises into your cool-down routine to boost your core strength even more. So, there you have it. It's the top 10 pieces of equipment to pair with your treadmill for a well-rounded fitness routine. Remember, adding diverse tools to your home gym can keep you motivated and engaged. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to inspire others to tackle the Treadmill Challenge 2025. Together, let's make this year one where we stick with fitness for good. Until next time, happy sweating.